In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record owner's draws and contributions in QuickBooks Online. We'll start with owner's draws, which are withdrawals you take from the business for personal use. These are not payroll, and they shouldn't be categorized as an expense. Instead, they reduce your equity in the business. So we'll set up a proper equity account and then record the transaction against it. First, let's create an owner's draw account if you don't already have one. In QuickBooks Online, go to the gear icon in the upper right and choose Chart of Accounts. On that page, click the New button to create a new account. For the account type, select Equity. For the detail type, choose Owner's Equity. In the name field, enter something clear like Owner's Draw or Owner's Distributions, so you can easily recognize it later when categorizing transactions. Once that's set, click Save and Close. This gives you a dedicated place to track money you pull out of the business. Now, let's record the actual withdrawal. Go to the plus New button and choose either check or transfer, depending on how you took the money out. If you wrote a check to yourself, choose check. Select the bank account the money is coming from, enter the owner's name as the payee, and in the category column, select the owner's draw account you just created. Enter the amount you withdrew and any memo that helps you remember what the draw was for, then save the transaction. If you move the money using a transfer instead of a check, choose Transfer from the plus New menu. Set the bank account as the source of the funds and the owner's draw account as the destination. Enter the amount and save. Either way, you've now recorded the draw correctly as an equity transaction, not an expense. Next, let's record owner's contributions, which are funds you personally put into the business. From the plus New button, select Bank Deposit. Choose the bank account that received the deposit, then enter the date of the deposit. In the Received From field, type the owner's name so you know who contributed the money. In the Account dropdown, select the appropriate equity account for contributions. If needed, you can create a similar equity account as you did for owner's draws, but labeled for contributions or owner's investment. Enter the contribution amount, add a memo if you'd like, then click Save and Close. By recording draws and contributions this way, your equity section in QuickBooks Online will stay accurate and your financial reports will clearly show how money is moving between you and your business.